Do you feel nervous when you order coffee in English?
Yes, I panic. I say, I want coffee.
Okay, today we fix that. This video will help you a lot.
I want one coffee.
Let's make it sound nice. I'll have a coffee, please.
I'll have a coffee, please.
Perfect. Save this sentence.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Friends, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. And today, we go to a coffee shop.
Yes, today's topic is ordering coffee in English.
No fear, no stress, no long words.
But before we start, we have a quick favor.
If you enjoy our conversations, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Fluent Friends. We want to help you speak English confidently.
And share this with your friends who are learning English.
This happens every day. Okay, Ryan, you are the barista.
Hi, welcome.
Hi.
What do you want?
Wait, that sounds a little strong.
Oh, oops.
Many learners make this mistake. I want a coffee. It's not wrong, but it sounds too direct.
Too direct?
Yes, in English, in shops, we like soft words.
So, not I want?
Exactly. I'll have a latte, please.
I'll have a latte, please.
Great! I'll means I will.
But it sounds short.
Yes, native speakers love short. You will hear this a lot. Can I get a latte, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Perfect.
So, can I get is polite?
Yes, very polite, very common.
Listen carefully.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'll have a latte, please.
Sure.
This question is important.
What size?
Small, please.
Small latte.
Yes.
What about big?
You can say large.
Oh, small, medium, large.
Exactly.
Many learners stop here.
What milk?
Normal milk is okay.
Okay.
You can also say, low-fat milk, please.
No milk?
Then say, no milk, please. Very useful sentence.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Takeaway?
Yes, both are okay.
So to go and take away, same?
Yes. Listen again.
That's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure.
Try this with me.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'll have a small latte, please.
What milk?
Normal milk is fine.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That's $5.
Here you go. Thank you. Let's recap. Don't say, I want.
Say, I'll have or can I get?
Answer size.
Answer milk.
Say to go or for here.
Easy.
All right, Fluent Friends, now we have a question for you.
What coffee do you order in English?
Write your order in the comments.
And if this video helped you, please give it a like.
Subscribe to Fluent Friends for more easy English conversations.
Share this with your friends learning English too.
Thank you for learning with us today, Fluent Friends.
We believe in you. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.